At Alliance Laundry Systems Thailand, we believe in more than innovation, we believe in impact. Our journey brought us to the Pattaya Orphanage, where compassion met community, and every small act sparked a smile. With hearts full of purpose, our team came together not just to give, but to connect. From sharing meals, to organizing activities, to simply being present, it was a day of love, laughter, and hope. We listened, we learned, and most of all, we cared. The children of Pattaya Orphanage reminded us of the power of kindness and how even a single day can plant seeds for a brighter future. This initiative is just one step in our ongoing mission to give back to the communities we live and work in. Together, with unity and empathy, we strive to build a better tomorrow, one moment, one gesture, one smile at a time. Alliance Laundry Systems Thailand, committed to care, driven by heart. Thank you for watching. See you next activity.